The Bose Smart Soundbar 600 with Dolby Atmos brings the immersive feeling of a movie theater into your home. In this video, we'll help you unbox and set up your soundbar. Let's begin by carefully opening the box. Inside, you'll find your Bose Smart Soundbar 600. Lift this flap to reveal a power cord, an optical cable, and an HDMI cable. Next, you'll see a quick start guide and important safety information. And finally, the remote control. That's everything inside the box. Now let's set up your soundbar. Begin by centering the soundbar in front of your TV. For the best sound quality, make sure the up-firing speakers on top of the soundbar aren't blocked. Next, connect the power cord into the power port on the back of the soundbar. Plug the other end into an AC power outlet. The soundbar will automatically power on, and you'll hear a tone. The light bar will glow amber once it's in setup mode. Please note, if you leave the soundbar in this state for an extended period of time, you may have to reactivate setup mode. To do so, aim the remote at the soundbar and then press and hold the mute and Bose music buttons until the light bar glows amber. To complete setup, access additional features, and receive software updates, you'll need to download the Bose Music app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Sign in with or create a new My Bose account. Tap the plus button and then choose Smart Speakers, Soundbars, and Amps. A scan will begin searching for your soundbar. Once it appears, tap Add, and then tap Pair. Follow the remaining app instructions to connect your soundbar to Wi-Fi, set up sharing settings, connect accessory speakers, and add any compatible voice assistants in your region. Of course, you'll also need to connect the soundbar to your TV. We recommend connecting with an HDMI cable if your TV has an HDMI eARC port or an ARC port. Otherwise, use the optical cable instead. Your Bose Smart Soundbar 600 supports Dolby Atmos technology, which does require an HDMI connection. However, our proprietary TrueSpace technology will intelligently analyze any audio signal and upmix them to create a multi-channel experience with a sense of height in the soundscape. If using an HDMI port, you will be able to control the power, volume, and mute functions of the soundbar with the remote you currently use to control your TV. The HDMI CEC function of your TV must be enabled for this functionality. Insert one end of the HDMI cable into your TV's HDMI eARC or ARC port. Then insert the other end into the HDMI eARC port on the back of the soundbar. If connecting with the optical cable, remove the protective cap from both ends. Align one end with your TV's optical out port and insert the plug carefully. Next, align the other end with the optical in port on the back of the soundbar and firmly push until you hear or feel a click. When using an optical cable, you can take advantage of the Autowake feature, which automatically powers on the soundbar whenever a sound signal is received. To enable or disable this feature, press and hold the power button on the remote until the light bar pulses white twice. Your Bose Smart Soundbar 600 is now set up. For additional support, visit our website.